Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieved this affordable soft glam makeup look, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I'm starting off by doing a little bit of a shimmy and taking a sip of my coffee. I'm going to be priming my face using the Maybelline Master Prime, the Blur and the Illuminate one. So for foundation today, I'm going back to an oldie, which is the Maybelline Fir Me Foundation. I mixed the color 340 and 330 together to get a perfect shade for me right now in the summertime. I had forgotten how much I really enjoy the Maybelline Fir Me Foundation. I had stopped using it for a little while, but after filming this video, I'm like, you know what? I need to start using this more. I had totally forgotten that I really enjoyed it. So I'm going in and I'm concealing, obviously, and I'm using the L.A Pro Girl Conceal. I'm mixing the color Fawn and Toffee together, and I'm blending it out using this regular beauty sponge, which is now in the garbage because after I filmed this video it got destroyed. So I'm leaving my under eyes because I'm going to do that after I do my eyebrows off camera. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows and now I'm going in and I'm blending out under my eye. The reason why I like to do this is simple because when I use the L.A Pro Girl Concealer, I feel like it gives me a better coverage when I let it sit under my eye a little bit more, and because I have natural dark circles under there, it just works so well. So that's why I like to let it sit, and then I really take my time blending it out because I don't like it to look too crazy. So now I'm setting under my eyes using the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. I got the powder and I got the foundation and all that stuff, and I'm still kind of testing it out to see how I really feel about it. I'm giving it as many chances as I can because I do want to like the products, but I'm not too sure at the moment. So I'm giving it a little bit of a chance, and same thing goes with the foundation as well because I also have the foundation. So I'm just setting all the areas that I normally set and basically looking like a hot mess right now. I always think I look so crazy after I have set my entire face, but once I brush it off, it looks okay. I'm basically brushing it off with the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in the color Dark, and I'm just brushing off the setting powder with the powder and just setting the rest of my face with the powder as well. I said a lot of powder in that sentence. I don't know. Anyways, so now I'm going into this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and that's just what I've been using to kind of, you know, set in those powders so I don't look too cakey and too, you know. But now we're going to go into the eyes, and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics times Itsmyrayeraye palette and finish basically the rest of my face. I'm going into the color Control Freak and I'm blending that into my crease. This is just my everyday normal, this is like my go-to makeup look that I normally do, and I'm also brushing that under my eye as well. And then I'm going into the color Midnight and I'm just putting that on the outer V of my eye and blending that into my crease. It's just a simple eye makeup look, and then I'm taking a fluffier crease brush to blend those two colors together, and then I'm taking the color Allison and I'm just popping that on my lid. Just a quick and simple eye makeup look. Like I said, this is just my go-to look that I do most of the time if I don't know what to do. And then I'm going back in with that flat fluffy brush to blend out the harsh lines and to just kind of blend everything into one another. And the reason why I wanted to use this palette, oh wait, before I go on, so I'm lining my eyes with this EM Cosmetics liner. I got it in my Ipsy Glam bag, so I'm not 100% sure if it's affordable or not, but it's the only liquid liner I have, so I used it. And I'm also putting on some mascara. This is the Miss Magna mascara from L'Oreal. I'm going back into the Ray Ray palette and I am going to bronze / contour up my face using both the color Mocha and Brownie by just kind of mixing those two colors together to create some dimension in my face. And that's why I wanted to use this palette, simply because I can do an eyeshadow look and I can finish contouring and highlighting my face, and I feel like it's pretty affordable. So that's why I wanted to use it for this video. So for highlight, I'm going into the color, I think I used French Toast to highlight, and then I might have put a little bit of Radiant on top. Next, I'm going into this blush that I found at Rite Aid, and I thought it was so pretty. It's a Wet n Wild blush, and it's called Mellow Wine. I don't have a color like this, and I thought it was just this really pretty terracotta color, and I wanted to use it. I also managed to find a lip liner that kind of matches, and it is also from Wet n Wild. I can't remember the color of the lip liner right now, but I'll leave it in the description box below. And with that, I'm using the Itsmyrayeraye and Colourpop collaboration and just putting that on my lips, and then I'm just highlighting my inner corner with a little bit of Radiant. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I didn't rush through it too much. Just my version of an affordable soft glam. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye!